In 1900, Ferdinand Porsche developed the first hybrid drive. 111 years after this milestone invention, Porsche presents the new Panamera S Hybrid. Despite its respectable 380 horsepower, the average consumption is only 6.8 liters per 100 kilometers. That is the lowest ever in Porsche history. With that kind of performance, there's no need to hold back. 6 seconds from 0 to 100 km per hour and a top speed of 270 should be more than sufficient to make a quick exit from the office car park. The Panamera S Hybrid is capable of reaching 85 km per hour on pure electric drive. The maximum range in this mode is about 2 km. With its new hybrid version, Porsche expects growing sales, particularly in Japan and North America. Since the market launch about 15 months ago, more than 30,000 cars were sold worldwide. This translates to a remarkable 13% market share in the upper and premium class segment.